Welcome back, Crammers, to question 5. Work out 4/5 of 80. Now, when it's asking a fraction of a whole number, we simply multiply. So 4/5 times 80. Now I can see that 80 is divisible by 5. That gives us 16. And 4 times 16 is simply 64. Write 9/20 as a decimal. Okay, now I can simplify this to 10 times 2, since 10 times 2 is 20, and we'll still get the same answer. 9 divided by 2 is simply 4.5. We write the same denominator as 10, and whenever dividing by 10, we simply move the decimal to the left by 1. So we get 0.45. Here are 4 fractions. When written as a decimal, one of these fractions will give a terminating decimal. Write down the fraction. What does it mean by terminating decimal? Well, firstly, 1 divided by 3 repeats. So this does not terminate whatsoever. So I know this is wrong. We can use the calculator to find the other fractions. 2 divided by 9 repeats infinitely, so this is wrong. Let's see. 4 divided by 11 repeats infinitely, so this is wrong. And finally, we have 3 divided by 8. This does not repeat. This is a terminating decimal. So we write here the same fraction, 3/8. Write 11/4 as a mixed number in its simplest form. Okay, so the highest multiple of 4 just before 11 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. We simply write the same denominator as 4. And 11 minus 8 is 3. Since we cannot divide this any further, this is the simplest form. 2, 3/4. Here's a list of 4 words that can be used to describe numbers: cube, square, prime, negative. Use the word from the list to complete the sentence below correctly. 25 is a blank number. Let's see. Is 25 a cube number? No. Is 25 a prime number? No. Prime numbers are numbers that are only divisible by 1 and themselves, but 25 is divisible by 5. And is it negative? No, it is not. That leaves us with square. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.